What's up YouTube, it's your girl Naryua Januar and welcome to my channel. This is a DIY video. If you haven't seen the title, I seen a girl on Instagram. I'm going to insert the picture here with her tag, like her info and all this other stuff. She designs these hats and I don't know where she's based out of, and I didn't want to take the chance of ordering from her and I wouldn't be able to get it for my birthday because I seen it after the fact. I probably seen it like a week ago and I think so. I just decided to go on to Amazon and pick out everything. So everything will be linked in the description box if you decide to do this, but I highly recommend y'all hit her up.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Ooh, the way you shine. It's independent. Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do it for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. 'Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. Yeah. She made for a boss, only a boss. Hey, baby, like she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent. Her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. Yeah, 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 yeah. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got, I love her. It's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do it for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got no doubt. There's something about her. Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. Yeah. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything less, she telling them to get off. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got a own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, her favorite thing to say, don't